Have you ever looked in a mirror and thought, this doesn't look like me anymore? You're not imagining it. According to the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism, women over the age of 50 lose up to 30% of their skin's collagen within just 5 years of entering menopause. But this transformation isn't caused by age alone. Emerging evidence points to a trio of internal factors: oxidative stress, impaired microcirculation, and nutrient deficiencies. These biological changes accelerate the breakdown of skin structure, leading to dullness, sagging, and wrinkles, even in individuals who follow healthy routines. But there is good news. Skin aging is a modifiable process. In this video, 5 functional nutrition recipes will be explored, each grounded in clinical studies, designed to target the internal mechanisms of aging. And at the end, one lifestyle habit shown to age skin faster than UV exposure will be revealed. The science behind skin aging. Skin relies on 3 critical components: collagen, elastin, and hyaluronic acid. Oxidative stress damages these proteins at a cellular level, as demonstrated in Dermatological Science, 2020. Poor microcirculation further reduces oxygen and nutrient delivery, impairing regeneration. Without dietary support, connective tissues weaken, accelerating structural decline. Recipe number 1: Beetroot Pomegranate Smoothie. Beetroot Pomegranate Smoothie is more than just a vibrant drink. It is a functional beverage designed to support healthy skin from within. The 2 primary ingredients, beetroot and pomegranate, each offer distinct benefits that directly target some of the root causes of skin aging: oxidative stress and poor circulation. Beetroot is naturally rich in dietary nitrates, which convert to nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide plays a key role in vasodilation, allowing blood vessels to widen and improve circulation. A clinical trial published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 2013, demonstrated that beetroot juice significantly enhances endothelial function, which is crucial for maintaining healthy blood flow and nutrient delivery to skin tissues. Better circulation means more oxygen and antioxidants reach the skin, promoting cellular repair and a natural glow. Pomegranate, on the other hand, is one of the most antioxidant-rich fruits. It is especially high in polyphenol and vitamin C, 2 compounds that neutralize free radicals and stimulate collagen production. These nutrients combat the oxidative damage that accumulates with age and environmental exposure, helping to preserve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines. To make the smoothie, combine the following ingredients: 1 small beetroot, boiled and chopped, half a cup pomegranate seeds, 1 tablespoon chia seeds or flax seeds, half a cup coconut water, 1/2 teaspoon grated fresh ginger, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Blend until smooth and consume fresh. This smoothie can be consumed once daily, preferably in the morning or early afternoon when digestion and nutrient absorption are most active. For individuals with low blood pressure, caution is advised. Beetroot's vasodilating effect may further lower blood pressure levels. Consulting a healthcare provider is recommended before making it a regular part of the diet. This recipe is not just theory. It has shown visible results in real-life cases. A 58-year-old woman who substituted her typical afternoon snack with this smoothie reported noticeable changes within 3 weeks. Her skin appeared brighter, more hydrated, and visibly healthier, without changes to the rest of her routine. Beetroot and pomegranate work in synergy to support skin health at the vascular and cellular levels. When combined into a nutrient-dense smoothie, they offer a simple yet powerful step toward natural rejuvenation. Recipe number 2: Golden Milk Turmeric Latte. Golden milk, also known as turmeric latte, is a traditional Ayurvedic remedy that has gained recognition in modern clinical nutrition for its wide-ranging benefits, especially in supporting healthy skin and reducing inflammation. The key ingredient in golden milk is curcumin, a bioactive compound found in turmeric with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. According to a study published by the National Institutes of Health, NIH, in 2018, curcumin has been shown to reduce photoaging, the skin damage caused by prolonged UV exposure, and to mitigate oxidative DNA damage. These processes are deeply involved in the aging of the skin, contributing to collagen breakdown, fine lines, and hyperpigmentation. One of the lesser-known but powerful benefits of golden milk is its support for restorative sleep. Deep sleep is when the body enters its most active phase of regeneration, including repair of skin cells and connective tissues. Chronic sleep deprivation has been associated with reduced skin barrier function and slower healing. Drinking golden milk before bed may help improve both the quality and duration of sleep, indirectly promoting healthier skin over time. However, curcumin has relatively low bioavailability when consumed alone. To overcome this, a small amount of black pepper is added to golden milk. Black pepper contains piperine, which enhances the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%, as confirmed in pharmacokinetic studies. This combination allows the body to fully access curcumin's therapeutic effects. To prepare golden milk: 1 cup of unsweetened plant-based milk, such as almond, oat, or coconut. 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, optional, for blood sugar support and flavor. A small pinch of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of raw honey, optional, add after heating. Warm the milk in a saucepan over low heat. Stir in turmeric, cinnamon, and black pepper. Simmer gently for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. Allow it to cool slightly before adding honey. Drink it at least 1 hour before bedtime for optimal results. This recipe has both scientific and anecdotal support. In one long-term use case, an individual who incorporated golden milk into her nightly routine experienced multiple benefits. After 6 months, she reported smoother skin, reduced joint stiffness, and more restful sleep. These outcomes align with the broader literature on curcumin's effects on inflammation and tissue repair. Golden milk offers a simple, comforting, and highly effective ritual to include in any evening routine. It not only supports the body's natural healing process, but also delivers visible results on the skin, making it a powerful tool for aging gracefully from the inside out. Recipe number 3, Gotu Kola Tea. Gotu Kola, scientifically known as Centella asiatica, is a green, fan-shaped herb long used in Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine for its healing and restorative properties. While it remains relatively underused in most American households, its reputation is steadily growing within the fields of integrative and functional medicine. The reason? Gotu Kola shows powerful potential in skin rejuvenation, liver support, and blood circulation, 3 cornerstones of graceful aging. Among its most celebrated benefits is its ability to stimulate collagen production. Collagen is the protein responsible for the firmness and elasticity of skin. Its natural decline during aging, particularly post-menopause, results in thinner, less resilient skin. In a study published by the International Journal of Cosmetic Science, both oral and topical applications of Gotu Kola extract significantly improved skin hydration, elasticity, and smoothness by activating fibroblast cells, those responsible for producing collagen and rebuilding connective tissue. Gotu Kola also has a long-standing role as a detoxifying agent. In traditional practices, it's believed to cool the blood and support liver function. Translated into modern science, this means enhanced antioxidant activity, improved microcirculation, and reduced inflammatory stress, key processes in maintaining skin clarity and vibrancy. For older adults, where detoxification pathways tend to slow down, this can make a visible difference in complexion and skin tone. Preparing Gotu Kola tea at home is simple and inexpensive. Fresh leaves are increasingly available at Asian grocery stores or herbal markets in the United States. Dried forms are also accessible online from trusted suppliers. Ingredients: 1 small handful of fresh Gotu Kola leaves, approximately 1/3 cup, loosely packed. 300 milliliters filtered water. 1 teaspoon raw honey, optional. Instructions: rinse the leaves thoroughly under cold water. Blend the leaves with filtered water until smooth. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth. Add raw honey for taste and drink immediately. For best results, consume the tea in the morning on an empty stomach when liver detox pathways are most active. The taste is slightly bitter and herbal, but the honey balances it out. Gotu Kola provides a natural, plant-based solution to skin aging, rooted in centuries of use and now validated by science. As American wellness culture continues to embrace food as medicine, this humble herb is earning its place in daily routines for beauty, for balance, and for longevity. Recipe number 4: Quinoa salad with avocado. Quinoa salad with avocado is more than a trendy lunch. It's a complete, nutrient-dense meal designed to nourish the skin, protect muscle tone, and support healthy aging from within. This simple dish combines plant-based protein, healthy fats, and essential micronutrients that work together to support collagen production, reduce inflammation, and promote skin firmness. One of the key components of this salad is quinoa, a gluten-free pseudograin that is unusually high in complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. Among those is lysine, a critical amino acid involved in the synthesis of collagen, the primary structural protein in skin. As collagen naturally declines with age, maintaining adequate lysine intake becomes more important. A 2017 study published in the Journal of Food Science and Nutrition confirmed that quinoa is not only rich in protein, but also a significant source of antioxidants, including flavonoids like quercetin and camphorol, which help fight oxidative stress in skin tissues. The addition of avocado provides the salad with healthy monounsaturated fats, along with vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps maintain skin hydration and protects cell membranes from free radical damage. Avocados also contribute fiber and potassium, which support cardiovascular health, another indirect but important factor in skin health and circulation. For extra skin-nourishing power, this recipe can be enhanced with baby spinach and pumpkin seeds. Spinach offers iron and folate, which help oxygenate tissues and reduce dullness, while pumpkin seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of zinc, a mineral essential for wound healing, cell regeneration, and oil regulation in the skin. Ingredients: half a cup cooked quinoa, 1/4 avocado diced, half a cup cherry tomatoes halved, half a cup baby spinach, 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: in a mixing bowl, combine quinoa, avocado, tomatoes, and spinach. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice. Sprinkle pumpkin seeds, salt, and pepper. Toss gently and serve fresh. This salad is ideal for lunch, offering sustained energy without the crash, and it supports both metabolic function and skin resilience. Light, flavorful, and incredibly functional, it represents a modern, evidence-based approach to beauty from the inside out, one forkful at a time. Recipe number 5: Beetroot Moong dal soup. Beetroot Moong dal soup is a warm, nutrient-dense dish that combines plant-based protein, iron, and anti-inflammatory compounds, making it especially beneficial for women over 50. This recipe draws inspiration from Ayurvedic traditions, but is backed by modern nutritional science. It's easy to digest, comforting, and supports skin health, circulation, and tissue repair. At the core of this soup is Moong dal, also known as split yellow mung beans, a legume widely praised for its digestibility and high protein content. Moong dal is gentle on the gut and well tolerated by older adults, whose digestive efficiency may decline with age. It's a rich source of plant-based protein, essential for maintaining muscle mass and skin structure as the body ages. Beetroot, meanwhile, is loaded with iron, folate, and natural nitrates that support blood flow, detoxification, and tissue oxygenation. When combined with protein from Moong dal, beetroot works synergistically to nourish skin cells, connective tissue, and blood vessels. Its deep red pigment also indicates a high concentration of betalains, compounds known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. This soup is particularly well suited for the evening, when the body is winding down and preparing for cellular repair. It's also a wonderful pre-yoga or pre-relaxation meal, as it's light but deeply nourishing. Ingredients: half a cup Moong dal, split yellow mung beans, soak for 30 minutes. 1 small beetroot, peeled and chopped. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/2 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger. 2 cups filtered water. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Fresh cilantro, optional for garnish. Sea salt to taste. Instructions. 1. In a saucepan or pressure cooker, add soaked Moong dal, chopped beetroot, turmeric, and water. 2. Cook until soft, about 20 minutes in a pot or 3 whistles in a pressure cooker. 3. Allow to cool slightly, then blend until smooth. 4. In a separate pan, heat a teaspoon of oil, sauté cumin seeds and ginger until fragrant. 5. Add the blended soup to the pan, stir well, and let simmer for 5 more minutes. 6. Finish with lemon juice and garnish with fresh cilantro. A client once shared that after a detox retreat in India, she began making this soup 3 times a week. Not only did she feel lighter and more energized, but she noticed her skin becoming visibly firmer over time, without relying on topical products. Beetroot Moong dal soup is more than just comfort food. It's a skin-supportive, circulation-enhancing, anti-inflammatory bowl of wellness that fits beautifully into any age-supportive lifestyle. Lifestyle habits that support skin rejuvenation. Nutrient-rich recipes are powerful, but without supportive lifestyle habits, their effects can be limited. For visible and lasting skin rejuvenation, 4 daily habits are essential. First, sleep is non-negotiable. According to the Sleep Foundation, 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep per night is critical for skin regeneration, as most cell repair occurs during deep sleep. Chronic sleep deprivation has been linked to increased signs of aging, including fine lines and reduced skin elasticity. Second, hydration plays a key role. Drinking 1.5 to 2 liters of water per day helps maintain natural skin moisture, supports detoxification, and improves circulation. Even mild dehydration can cause the skin to appear dull and fatigued. Third, incorporating yoga and deep breathing can significantly reduce cortisol, the stress hormone known to accelerate aging. Practices like restorative yoga, gentle stretching, or even 10 minutes of mindful breathing help regulate stress and support hormonal balance. Lastly, reducing sugar and alcohol is essential. Both contribute to glycation, a process that breaks down collagen and leads to premature aging of the skin. Try combining these 4 habits with the 5 anti-aging recipes in this video for just 1 week. Many notice brighter skin, improved energy, and a renewed sense of well-being. Aging is inevitable, but how fast you age, that's your choice. Every recipe shared in this video is more than just food. It's a form of nourishment that supports your skin, your cells, and your spirit. You don't have to change everything overnight. Just start with one thing. Add 1 smoothie to your morning routine. Brew 1 herbal tea. Choose one night to wind down with golden milk. Small steps can lead to visible, powerful results. Start with what feels easiest and let your body respond. If this video helped you, share it with a friend who's on a similar journey to age gracefully, naturally, and confidently. And if you'd like more science-backed, wellness-focused content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. I release videos like this every week to support you, to educate you, and to remind you that beauty doesn't fade. It evolves just like you.